Hey guys, my name is Majd, hope you're doing well, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the crypto space as a whole, and more importantly we're going to be diving into Cardano's price action and going over some Cardano news. So before we get into this video, I do want to remind you to leave a like on this video if you enjoy it or get any kind of value from it, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more crypto videos like this one and more Cardano videos. So now with that out of the way, let's get into the market. So the first thing that stands out to me here is that Bitcoin is trading at $56,000, nearing that $60,000 level, and it absolutely destroyed $50,000. And my previous price target for Bitcoin when it was at $49,000 to $50,000 was that it would hit $54,000, and you can see it absolutely crushed my price target. It crushed the measured move from its consolidation pattern, and I guess that's what you can expect to see in a bull trend that we're in right now. So Bitcoin's up 18% on the week and nearly 8% on the day, outperforming a lot of the major altcoins. And the next thing that really stands out to me is BNB. I really did not expect BNB to have such an amazing week. I mean, it's more than doubled this week at 142%, and it's taken the number 3 spot on CoinMarketCap, flipping Cardano, DOT, and USDT. And a lot of people are messaging me and talking in the Discord server about whether or not they should FOMO into BNB. And honestly, when you see an altcoin go up this much, like in this short amount of time, it's going to be really tempting to FOMO into it and to sell some of your other investments to get in. And of course, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. However, I don't think it's a great idea to chase huge pumps like this one, especially when a coin pumps nearly 70% in a day. I wouldn't really try and catch that pump. If you missed your shot, then you missed your shot. And of course, we're in a vicious altcoin season right now, so there's plenty of opportunities. And whatever coin you're holding, honestly, I would be patient because every coin is going to have its time to shine. Again, this is not financial advice. And if you do want to hold BNB because you believe in it and you think that it's a great buy for the future, and you think that you're not going to be FOMOing in, then by all means you can go ahead and do that. Now, taking a look down the list, you can see Polkadot is doing amazing. It's also up 10% on the week and nearly 10% on the day and 20% on the week. And Cardano is generally trading sideways, which makes perfect sense because it's had a very vicious rally. So for it to be going sideways for a week or two and generally consolidating makes perfect sense and is nothing to worry about if you're a Cardano holder. Now, taking a look at the Cardano price, you can see that we're testing the previous local all-time high. So you can see here we came up and tested it and got rejected, and again we're testing it again. And generally when something continues to test these levels, so you can see it appears that 94 cents is a very strong area of resistance, and the more that the price tests these levels, the more likely it is to break past them. And also going along with that, I'm going to play a clip from my previous video where I said that once Bitcoin kind of takes a chill pill, and I estimated that it would take a chill pill at 94,000, which I was clearly wrong. Bitcoin surpassed my prediction and flew to 56,000. But when Bitcoin decides to relax a little bit, I really do think that the major altcoins are going to continue to rally, and I do definitely see Cardano on that list of altcoins that are going to be taking a part of Bitcoin's profit. So I'll go ahead and play that clip now. So obviously Bitcoin has rallied 15% in the past 3 days, and that's why Cardano has really been basically trading sideways for the most part. And what I expect is that after Bitcoin kind of relaxes, and my price target for Bitcoin is $54,000. That's just a measured move from the consolidation pattern that it broke. But after Bitcoin reaches that price target and either trends downwards slightly or just stops rallying like this, then the altcoins are really going to pick up again. And this is a trend that we've been seeing during this bull market, where Bitcoin rallies like crazy, and then a lot of the profits from Bitcoin flows into the major altcoins. And like I said previously, Ethereum and Cardano are the buckets waiting for the profits to come down from Bitcoin. So I think once Bitcoin starts trading sideways again, or at least doesn't ends its massive rally here of 15%, then we will see Cardano and Ethereum start to pick up steam again and set newer highs. My next price target for Cardano is obviously $1, and I think that's what we're going to be seeing Cardano trading at after Bitcoin takes a chill pill. So you can see by that clip, I did say that I think that Ethereum and Cardano are going to be like buckets waiting to catch some of Bitcoin's profits. and I still believe that that's definitely the case. So I can see Cardano having an amazing rally in the very near future, probably breaking past that very strong psychological resistance level of $1. And also right now we are in a very clear altcoin season, and you can tell that because it appears that almost every day we have an altcoin like going up huge amounts. So today it was BNB, last week Cardano had absolutely exploded, and the altcoins are all around seeing double-digit gains on the weekly, basically consistently every week now. So I don't think this is going to slow down anytime soon. And this is the total altcoin market cap, and you can see that it's just absolutely flying. So this is the total crypto cap minus Bitcoin, making it the total altcoin market cap, and it's basically gone parabolic, and it doesn't really show any signs of slowing down anytime soon, considering that we're basically halfway through the bull rally. So I definitely expect to see altcoins continue to make giant moves like this in the near future. So the next piece of news that we're going to be taking a look at is Kiss Gene Simmons buys $300,000 worth of Cardano. So this is a famous rock star, and he basically bought $300,000 worth of the Cardano cryptocurrency, and this made Charles really happy. I think he mentioned it on one of his live streams, and I'm not exactly sure what the exact reason for him to do this is, especially considering he's not really part of the crypto space and he hasn't really shown any interest in crypto in the past. So for him to just come out and buy $300,000 worth of Cardano is odd, yet is pretty exciting that we're seeing celebrities like this buy Cardano. Now the next thing that I want to talk about is this is probably a very good chart to take a look at from time to time, because it gives us a very good idea of where we are in the bull run. So a lot of people are wondering, like, what stage of the bull run are we in now? Should we be starting to sell? Should we be accumulating more? And taking a look at this, along with the stock to flow model, which I don't have open right now, they both hint that we're about halfway through the bull run in terms of time. And usually during the end of the bull run, that's when prices tend to see the most dramatic gains. And this chart says that we're in the, is this a bubble territory? So it's questioning, and which makes sense. That is the general sentiment right now. And we're about to be entering the FOMO intensifies area. And if you're considering taking profits, I don't think that's a bad idea. I think taking profits along the way as you go up is a good idea. And for my personal portfolio, I have sold about 4% of my total crypto as of now, which is not much. Again, since we are just about halfway through the bull cycle according to this chart and the stock to flow, but I did think that it would be a good idea for me to mention where we are in the bull cycle and where I'm at in terms of taking profits. So most people that got wrecked in 2017 was because they took no profits at all. And although I'm incredibly bullish on crypto as a whole, I think it's a good idea to take some profits if you made some massive gains. So I'm just putting that out there. Again, this is not financial advice. So taking a look at Cardano's chart again, I really do think that in the upcoming weeks, we're going to see Cardano breaking past $1. We are basically in blue sky breakout. So if I go ahead and switch to the daily chart, you can see like if there's no resistance above us. Of course, this isn't the full picture. We don't have the previous all-time high, but we are basically in price discovery and blue sky breakout for almost all altcoins, and we can see that even more clearly for the altcoin market cap. So very exciting times ahead of us, guys. I hope everybody's making amazing gains, and if you're sitting on an altcoin that isn't quite moving as much as you'd like it to be, my only advice would be to have patience, although I think most altcoins are doing incredibly well right now. And I do expect this to continue over the next few weeks. Alright, that's all for me today, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you did enjoy this video, then make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more crypto videos like this one. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.